Hello guys, here we start. First we will import Tkinter. Okay, then we have imported our message box, and here are some formalities like screen title, geometry, and resizable. Here we have made an boolean variable which is we have created it true. Now we will create 3 frames. As you can see, this is frame 1. In these 3 frames we will create 9 buttons, 3 in each frame. Okay, so frame 2, screen same height 100 and same weight 300. Okay, 2 dot back side top. Okay, similarly frame 3, screen height equals to 100, width equals to 300. Okay, same back side top. Okay, now we will create a string where it is of our further use. Okay, now we will create our all buttons, 9 buttons and 2 extra that I will tell you later. Let's B1 button in frame 1. Okay, text empty, font you can see, background white, height 12, width 24. Okay, and the command we will give a lambda function naming game in which we will pass B1 B2 like that. B1 dot back side equals to left. Similarly we will make out B2 button, text empty, font same as B1. Okay, height 12, width 24. Okay, command same. Lambda game B1. Okay, B2, sorry, dot back side left. Similarly we will create B3 button. Okay, font same, background same, height 12, weight 24. Command also same. As you have idea, so I am skipping this. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Sorry, I forgot before, so we will make B copy. Okay, paste it here. Done. Make this B3 to B4. Okay, B4. Yes, as you know, B4 is in frame 2, so convert is in frame 2. Okay, yes, that. Now as you can see, these are our 9 buttons, sorry, 11 buttons. 9 are that in 3 frames, and other 2 buttons in that first one is to end game and another one is to reset our game, means to restart our game, you can say. Now from here we will make our function. So here we define our game. Here we will pass in this game BS, means we will store our all buttons in BS, means B1 B2 like that. From here we will check if button text is empty and the boolean variable is true, and then we will give button text as capital X and make the boolean false. Okay, now if button 1 text, here we are making the conditions of according to the game rule, like row continuous X or column continuous X or diagonally. These are the conditions that we are making here. Okay, if row complete X, then we will convert their background so that they look different. Okay, B3 background also yellow, and after that we will display a message that results player 1 wins. Okay, same for O also. O B2 text if O and B3 text O. Okay, then we will create their background to yellow, B2 yellow, so that they look different. Okay, yellow. So here we will display the message that results player 2 wins. Okay, similarly we will create for that b1 b4 means diagonally, and b7 text equals to x, and turn b1 background yellow, b4 background yellow. Okay, b7 background yellow. Done. Here we will show a message that when 4 results player 1 wins. Okay, well, if b1 text equals to O, similar condition for O also we will check. Okay, and b7 text equals to O. Okay, and change their background. Hope you have understand the concept, so I will skip it. Wait, I will show you little bit more, then I will skip. b7 yellow. Okay, here we will show message, show info results player 2 wins. Okay, else if b1 text x and b5 text also x and b9 text also x, then create their background yellow or okay, then show the message result player 1 wins. Okay, hope you are getting. So as you have got, so I'm skipping. Oh, done. Okay, as you can see, these are all conditions just to checking according to the game rules. Okay, which player has won. So now from here we will have made condition for giving the button text as x. Now we will give the text to a button O. As you can see, if text is empty and BCL false, then we will give button text as O and create the boolean variable as true, as we have created previous time false, as you can see there. Okay, so we will copy all these conditions. Okay, Control C, and you can see we have pasted in this also. Means we will check these conditions every time, whether it is O or whether it is X. Here we have created if the text is end game, then screen will be destroyed, else it is reset game, then we will create all button text empty and white background. Okay, oh, okay, here we go. Yes, X O X O X. As you can see, background it's look different, so reset game, it is restarted. X X O X O, as you can see. Okay, it's end games, means it's
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.